Exercise 3.3, fifth problem. In the figure, PQ is perpendicular to PS. PQ is perpendicular to PS. And PQ is parallel to SR. QR is 28 degree. QRT is 65 degree. Then find the value of X and Y. Okay. Now let us know that QRT plus QRS, the sum of these two, is equal to 180 by since linear pair. So now QRT is 65 degree plus QRS is equal to 180 degree. QRS is equal to 180 minus 65, that is equal to 5. 10 minus 5 is 5. 7 minus 6 is 1. 115. Okay, 115. Now let us take a triangle SRQ. Okay, in SRQ, QRS plus SQR plus RSQ is equal to 180. QRS just now we got 115 plus RSQ. We have to find out RSQ plus SQR is 28 degree is equal to 180 degree. Now RSQ is equal to 180 minus 13,141. Okay, see here 5, 8, 13, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 143, that is equal to 10 minus 3 is 7. Okay, then 7 minus 4 is 3, 37 degree. Okay, this is RSQ. RSQ is 37 degree. Okay, RSQ is 37 degree. So this RSQ is RSQ is 37 degree. And what about this X? X, I think X is also 37 degree. Yes. Why X is 37 degree? Because PQ is parallel to SR. Correct? Therefore, there exist alternate angles X. Therefore, X is equal to 37 degree. Okay, 37 degree. Now we have to find out Y angle. So this we got 37 degree. Okay, and this we know 90 degree. So can we find out this one? Yes. PQS in triangle PQS, angle P plus angle Q plus angle S is equal to 180. Angle P is 90 plus angle Q is 37. Children, see in this triangle, I am talking about this triangle. Okay, X is equal to how much? Q is 37 plus S is Y is equal to 180. So angle Y is equal to 180 minus 9, 10, 11, 12, 127 degree, that is equal to 10 minus 7 is 3. Okay, and then 7 minus 2 is 5, 53 degree. Okay, Y is 53 degree. This is what the answer for exercise, that is the fifth problem. Let us move to sixth problem, that is in figure the side QR of triangle PQR is reduced to in figure the side QR of triangle PQR is produced to a P is produced to RS. One second. Point S point yes, that is triangle PQR in that okay, this it is produced to S if the bisectors of PQR and PRT meet at the point, then prove that QTR is equal to 1 by 2 times QTR is equal to 1 by 2 times QPR. 1 by 2 times QPR. QTR is equal to 1 by 2 times QPR. This. Okay, children. So now let us see this one. Okay, what and all given you know. Now PQT, angle PQT is equal to angle TQR is equal to 25 degree. Is equal to 25 degree. See how we have taken 25 degree. We have to assume. Okay, we have to assume angle PQR. Let angle PQR is equal to 50 degree. Okay, angle PQR is equal to this one 50 degree, and angle PRS, this angle PRS is equal to 120 degree. Okay, just we are assuming. Okay, let PQR is equal to 50, PRS is equal to 120 degree. Then PQT is equal to TQR is equal to what? 25 degree. Why? Since QT is a bisector. Okay, and then next PRT is equal to TRS is equal to 60 degree. How we got 60 degree? PRT, this angle is equal to TRS, half of this, since TR is a bisector. So therefore 120, half of 120 is 60, half of 50 is 25. Okay children, so this is how we have to assume. Now QR is an arm, is it not? The arm of triangle PQR. QR is the arm of PQR and it is produced up to S, isn't it? Therefore exterior angle PRS, this is exterior angle for this PQR, is it not? Therefore PRS is equal to exterior angle PRS is equal to PQR plus QPR. PRS is equal to PQR plus QPR. This is exterior angle. Exterior angle is equal to the sum of the opposite angles, interior opposite angles, isn't it? So therefore these two are the sum of these two we get, and then this is PRS is equal to PRS is equal to how much? 120 is equal to PQR is 50 plus QPR. Okay, now QPR is equal to 120 minus 50, that is equal to 70 degree. Okay, that is equal to 70 degree, and therefore PRQ is given. PRQ is how much? this is QPR is how much we got here? 70 degree. Okay, and this angle we know 50 degree. Then what is this angle? How to find out that? By angle sum property. How much you get? Directly you can write 70 plus 50, how much? 120. Then this will become 180 minus 120 is nothing but 60 degree. Therefore, we can write PRQ is equal to 60 degree. Understood, children, how you got? Once again I am repeating. See, angle P is 70 degree, angle Q is 50 degree. Therefore, how to find out this angle R? By angle sum property, the sum of three angles is equal to 180. Therefore, 180 minus 50 plus 70, that is 120. That is nothing but 60 degree. Therefore, PRQ, how much you got here? 60 degree. Okay, children. Now, in triangle TRQ. Okay, in this triangle. Okay, how to find out? The sum of the angles is equal to how much? 180 degree. In that triangle, the sum of the angles is equal to 180 degree. Let me do here. degree. So therefore, in triangle TQR, angle QTR plus angle TQR plus angle TRQ is equal to 180 degree. Okay, 180 degree. Now QR is how much? 25 degree. TQR is 25 degree. TQR is 25 degree. So then QTR we have to find out, right, as it is. QTR plus TQR is 25 plus TRQ is 120 degree is equal to 180 degree. Okay, now QTR is equal to 180 minus 145 degree, that is equal to 10 minus 5 is 5. Okay, 7 minus 4 is 335 degree. QTR is equal to 35 degree and QPR is equal to, see children, QTR is equal to 35 degree and QPR is equal to 70 degree. Okay, now this is QPR is 70 degree, QTR, this is how much we got here? 35 degree. Okay, now 70 if you divide, how much you get? 35 degree, isn't it? So therefore we can write QPR is 70 degree. Therefore we can write QTR is equal to 1/2 times QPR. Okay, see children, how you are getting here? QTR is hence proved. See here, you can, how we got this one? See here, QTR is how much? QTR is equal to 35 degree is equal to 1/2 into QPR is 70 degree. Okay, so if you divide this, how much you will get? To 35. Okay children, therefore QTR is equal to 1/2 times QPR, hence proved.